Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Today we will start work in our notebook. So kindly open your notebooks. Okay. First of all, write down the day, Wednesday, classwork, and the date is 8th of July 2020. Today we will start Unit 1 Physical Regions as we have studied about physical regions of Pakistan. So the chapter 1 in Unit 1 is Classification of Regions in Pakistan. Write down the heading exercise. Question number 1 is how many physical regions are there in Pakistan? Name them. Like we have to write only names. So as we have studied that Pakistan can be divided into 5 main physical regions. And the names are mountainous regions, plateau region, desert region, plains region and coastal region. As we have studied about mountainous regions and plateau region, that mountainous regions are usually hilly areas. Plateau regions, they are the areas which have surfaces at a high level than the ground. Then desert, these are dry regions. Plains, these are flat surfaces. And coastal areas which are near the sea or water body. Okay, question number 2 is that how do the people living in mountainous region make a living through tourism? That how they make their lives and how they do living through tourism. So to the small mountain communities, tourism can create jobs, it raise incomes and provide better services. Many mountain towns depend on tourism. So rural areas are benefited by tourism in terms of employment and market for local products. It means that the tourists who visit different type of mountainous regions in their trips or in their tourism way, so they can cause better services for the people, because they help the people for their employment, as like they can take the pictures of those areas, and therefore then that place would be popular because of the tourists. And they also that the mountainous regions can make handicrafts. It means that they made the things by hand, which were also very praised by the tourists, and they also take the pictures of these things, and then they were considered as local products. So tourism can help these people in many terms. Next question is why are living conditions difficult in these regions? Difficult in these regions means mountainous regions. Why we live very comfortable in cities as compared to the villages? So what is the reason behind this? So the answer is the living conditions are difficult in these regions because the facilities we are used to are very rarely available there. These regions have very cold winters because of low temperature and high altitude. It means that we are provided with different type of facilities, for example televisions, cars, electricity, etc., and villages have not such type of facilities available. So one reason is this. The next reason is that the temperature in these places is very low, like their winters are very harsh, so it is very difficult for them to live there. Okay, next question is how are Balochistan plateau region and Anatolian region alike? Means that what are the similarities between these two regions? These two regions are alike, means they are similar because they have little rainfall. Both of the regions have little rainfall. They have high temperatures in summer and low temperatures in winter. This is the similarity. They have minerals like coal, copper and iron are present in both these regions. Like these are the similarities between these two regions, that they have high temperatures in summer, low temperatures in winters, and they have minerals, similar mineral like coal, copper, iron, and they have little rainfall. Next question is write a note on Salt Range. Now what is meant by Salt Range? It is a mountain range in Punjab. It has an average means normal height of about 600 to 700 meters, except at Sekisar, where it rises to almost 1500 meters. Khewra salt mines, as we have studied in our book, that they are located in this region. So they are the biggest rock salt mines in the world. Okay, you have to write these questions in your notebook. Do neat and tidy work and mention the day and date, plus mention the page numbers, like page number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I think this is enough for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.